Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the Nerd Deck channel. Guys, in the day, I'm going to show you all how to make a professional thumbnail for your Clash Royale videos. Make sure to stay tuned guys till the end if you want to make a thumbnail like this one, and that one, and this one. But before we start guys, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Much appreciated, it helps me out a ton. As well guys, our like goal for this video will be 1, because 2 likes is overrated, so we're going to stick it at 1 like this time guys. Hopefully we could hit it. And I'm shouting out these 3 people on the screen guys. Much appreciate everyone supporting my channel. And now let's get right into the video.
Yo, boom. The thing goes.
Alright guys, so guys, the 2 things that you're going to need though to make your professional thumbnail for your Clash Royale videos. You're going to need this app right here on the front of the screen called PixArt. The reason why you need this app guys is so you could actually make the base of your thumbnail, like the background and all the effects. And then you're gonna need this other app called Photo 2. I really don't know how to say it guys, but if you do, then tell me in the comments or make fun of me or something. But this app will help you put your text on there. You get a lot of different styles of text that makes your videos just pop out a lot more. But let's get right into PixArt to learn how to make your base of your video, and then we'll go right to the photo. See it right there. Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to make the base of your Clash Royale thumbnail. First thing you want to do is tap on the addition sign on the very bottom. Go to search and do Clash Royale. Now there is loads of backgrounds here that you can choose from to make as your background for your thumbnail. You can just look up blue, purple, green, any type of color of a background if you want. But I'm going to use this purple background right here. First thing off that I like to do is go to effects here and do blur. I feel like I don't want no one to be paying attention to the background really. I just want them to be focusing on what's on the screen. But now right here, if you see stickers, tap on that and look up Clash Royale, and now you can see a whole bunch of Clash Royale stickers that you could choose from to make your thumbnails. Now what I like to do personally is add this right here to the top right corner of the screen, the speed lights. I love to add these to my thumbnails. I'm pretty sure everyone would know that if y'all did watch my thumbnails, or not watch my thumbnails but my videos, or even looked at my thumbnails in my videos. I just feel like they add so much to it, the thumbnail itself. But then if you just press apply here, I'm going to try to put it in the middle. There we go. And then it just makes it a lot more flashy in my opinion. But now I want to, like, the idea of my thumbnail is you just basically look for anything that's like going to be the base of it. So like, let's say I'm going to show a video on how to make go from bronze to, let me just do this real quick. Go from bronze to silver, and make sure they're the same size too, so like it doesn't like look like they're off or anything. Go from silver or bronze to silver to gold. Now let's say that's the video topic, and now so then if it is, you want to obviously try to put that in the thumbnail to attract more eyes to your video. So now I have the base of the thumbnail, and as you all can see, if you tap on it or hold on to it, you can see what it originally was and then what it actually is now. But now guys, you want to add a little bit more to it, which I like to add arrows to my thumbnails. But like, this is not just gonna be like showing like begging out or some crap. But like, you just want to add like arrows in the middle of this, of the bronze to silver to gold. So like, it just shows that like you're going from to another place to another. And then I just feel like it would add more depth to your thumbnails a lot more, and makes it just pop out, because your whole goal is to improve your click-through rate on your video, so then you can get more views, more watch time, and everything else. But now guys, let's go to the photo app to show you the text of it, so then we can add that, and then we'll need to come back here for more stuff. So I'll see you right there. Oh yeah, as well guys, before we go, make sure to tap on the save button up here, so then you can keep your work. But I'll see you there. Alright, now guys, now you want to tap on the screen on photo albums and then tap on the thumbnail that you would want. Now what I like to guys, like, there's a whole bunch of filters here as y'all can see, but I'm going to use Chrome because it just makes it a lot more, it pops out a lot more. But now there's loads of things that you could do with the text messages on this. So let me just do how to go from, I'm going to put this right here up in the middle. You could change the text size, you could do style, font, you can do, like, you could make it till if you wanted to, like, just everything. You have a whole bunch of power with the text messages on the, or the text on the screen, which is amazing. But I'm gonna do the style first, and as you can see, y'all could change the color of your text, or, you know, like, keep it as white. But then go to stroke, and this is what I love to do, is put black and then put the width to about 10, and then this makes it already a lot more bolder. It just pops out a lot more in my opinion. But you could go to style, and then you could go to like shadowing, and which I would put about 100 always. I never ever like not put shadow on it, because like it just makes it a lot more, like as I said a while ago, pops out a lot more to your viewers, or like new viewers to your videos. Now I'm going to tap another time on the screen to add another text, and I'm going to go from bronze to gold. Now this looks very basic and like it looks bad right now, but at the end of this video it's going to look amazing. Like, you can make something look so ugly to make it so beautiful at the end of the thumbnail making, and then like you're gonna end up loving it. So I'm gonna do the same thing as I did a while ago. Add my shadow and my background, and I am gonna add the tint width as well. But I'm gonna do something that y'all have not seen yet, which is gonna do create a color pattern. Now what I like to do is go from light orange to dark orange, and then you go to characters and do gradient, and then you do apply, and then done. And then now you have the text of your thumbnail, and like you might be happy with this, but I want to add more to it, so let's go right back to Pixar. See y'all there. Oh yeah, and make sure to save image as well, so then y'all don't forget it. Alright, so now when you're here guys, you're just gonna press cancel, discard, back, and if you want to say draft, I would, so you don't lose your work. You want to go to all photos, proceed, and then go to the thumbnail that you just made, tap on it. And now guys, what I'm about to do is I'm about to make the thumbnail so much better. You're going to go back to effects, and you're going to go to HDR, and it just makes your thumbnail bling. Like, it is so pretty, and like it just makes it so much better. As well guys, you're going to add a sticker, and this is what I like to do as well for my thumbnails, is go to stars and go to the star effect right here, put it out as far as I can, and then I'm putting like tiny little stars, you know, I don't want to use that big star right here, but I'm going to move it out of the way and put the small stars in, and then you apply, and then like it just adds just a little bit of detail to your thumbnail. It makes it a lot more just out there. Alright guys, I hope this helped y'all guys. Make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. If this did help y'all guys, make sure to comment down below how it did. And as well guys, if y'all would like me to make a video on how to edit your Clash Royale videos, if y'all do, make sure to comment down below. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.